Hi, and welcome to the FieldAR tutorial series. My name is Kyle, and I'm the founder and lead software developer for FieldAR. In this short video, we're going to cover uploading floor plans to your project. Adding floor plans is a totally optional step when setting up your project, but they act as a helpful guide to locate where your 3D models exist at your job site. Floor plans also provide a helpful mini-map for your project team to see where models and markups were created in the field. Let's get started. In this PDF viewer, I've opened an A100 architectural floor plan associated with my project. Currently, the floor plan feature in the FieldAR mobile app only supports uploading JPEG files. We're currently working to add support for PDFs as well as other integrations in the future. But for now, we'll need to convert this PDF into a JPEG prior to uploading. If you're using Bluebeam or Adobe Acrobat, you can simply go to File, Save As, and choose JPEG as the file type. You can save your JPEG to a cloud drive like Box, Dropbox, or Google Drive so that you can easily find it in the FieldAR mobile app. Another option to convert PDFs to JPEGs is to use a free online service like Cloud Convert, which allows you to easily convert PDFs to JPEGs in your web browser. Once we have our high-res JPEG of our floor plan saved, let's jump over to the FieldAR mobile app and continue setting up our floor plan. From our dashboard, let's open a project. Let's tap the floor plan button in the upper right corner of the project panel. This list will contain all of the floor plans that we've added to our project, but currently it's empty, so let's tap the Add New Floor Plan button at the bottom. I'll title this floor plan First Floor Arc Plan, and my drawing number is A-101. With our basic floor plan details set, let's tap the Upload JPEG button and choose the file we saved previously. After the floor plan finishes initial processing, we can set the plan scale by measuring an object in the plan. We can pinch to zoom and drag to pan the image around. Scaling the plan works best if you have dimensions on the plan like this one, but in case you don't, you can measure a known object like a door frame. I know this particular door frame is 3 feet wide, so I'll tap one edge of the door frame and a pin will appear. If I tap the other edge of the door frame, a second pin appears with a line connecting the two. You can drag the pins around to get a decently accurate measurement of the door frame. Once the pins are set, I'll specify 3 feet in the field at the bottom since my door frame is 3 feet wide. Now we can tap the Save Floor Plan button at the bottom. After the floor plan finishes uploading to the FieldAR cloud, we can see it back in our project floor plans list. Let's tap the Back button to get back into our project panel. Next, we can locate a model on our new floor plan. From our models list, let's open a model. From the Models Detail panel, let's tap the Floor Plan button in the upper right corner. Here we can assign this model to one of our project floor plans. I'll tap the floor plan we recently added to this project from the list. Now we can set the model location on the plan, which typically will be where your QR target for this model will be installed at the job site. I'll zoom the plan into the stairwell where I'm going to place the QR target when I get to the site later. Now we can tap the plan to create the target marker. An important note here is that the red arrow on the marker needs to face inward toward the room. You can adjust the rotation of the marker by dragging the gray circle around it, and you can move the marker around by dragging the center of it. Once you have your target marker placed in a relatively accurate location, we can tap the Save Model Location button. Now that this model has been successfully added to a project floor plan, we can tap the Back button to get back to the Model Details panel, and back once more to get to the project panel. Now if we tap the floor plan button in the project panel and we open our floor plan, we can see a QR target icon where our model exists on the plan. The project floor plans are a great way to keep track of where all of your models exist on each floor of your building. That's it for setting up project floor plans and assigning models onto them. Now whenever someone at the job site scans a QR target, they can tap the floor plan button in the scanner to view their location on the minimap. Thanks for watching this FieldAR tutorial. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. See you in the next one.